Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shivnag Recipes with me, Chef Shivnag.
Today I am going to prepare coconut ladoo. We need just 3 ingredients and 2 minutes of time. Take few coconut pieces and blend it. Once blending is done, transfer this into a bowl. Now heat the pan and add butter. Once butter gets melted, add 1 cup of coconut mixture and fry it on a low flame. Add ilachi powder, add 3/4 cup of jaggery. Combine everything. Once jaggery gets melted, cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now switch off the stove and make coconut ladoos with this mixture. Try this simple and easy recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in a comment section. In next episode I am going to prepare chana aloo tikki. You never get this kind of recipe in YouTube anywhere because it's my own recipe. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shivnag Recipes and click on bell icon.